Okay, sometimes when you change the cam in your LS, you will get a P0106 code that pops up, and the car will just start running terrible as far as idle drivability. And you can clear that code and it'll run better temporarily, and then the code will pop up again. So if that happens, I'll show you the fix for that. You're going to go into engine diagnostics, and you're going to look under airflow, and you're going to see right here manifold absolute pressure and the P0106, and you're going to have a calculated map max and a calculated map min. So what you're happening with that cam is you're getting out of the range of the map sensor, and it's throwing the code, and then it's running like crap. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, first thing you're going to do is clear that code. Then you're going to go into the map max, and you're going to highlight the whole table by clicking in the upper left corner. Then you're going to go up here, and we're going to add 20% to the whole table by multiplying it times 1.2. Just hit the multiply, and we just increased the whole table by 20%. Then we're going to go ahead and go into the minimum. Same thing, click the upper left corner, highlight the whole table. We're going to take it times 0.8. And now we've just lowered it, the minimum. Now we can flash that tune into the car, and you'll no longer get the P0106 code, and you'll be running, the drivability will be much improved.